We are in Menifee today at a sustainable landscape that we did about 6 years ago. And we're making some updates to it, pulling out a lot of the overgrown plants that are too big for being in front, and replacing them with a whole bunch of new plants.
I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping up, and checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa.
Alright, it's planting day. We're taking out the old plants that were overgrown, a lot of them in the wrong place, and replacing them with better plants.
I raise my flags, don my clothes. It's a revolution, I suppose. We're painted red to fit right in. Whoa. I'm breaking in, shaping up, and checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. I'm waking up.
Got the mulching going down.
Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age.
We're all finished with our updates in Menifee. Got the bioswale all finished, mulch, new plants, new irrigation, looking good.
Systems grow.